Kozak, the founder of Brighter Step. Today I'm going to share a couple of reasons why this platform exists. Number one, we generate a lot of happiness in pursuit of our dreams and goals. It's true we generate a lot of other emotions, but happiness is really at the core. We have tools on this site for that pursuit. Number two, it is powerful to eliminate the possibility of giving up on our dreams and goals, even when the going gets terribly tough. We have tools within this site that help keep your attention on what's really important to you. Listen, there is no way to be certain about the future. We can know what's possible for us, what's available to us, and we can prototype or build into those versions of ourselves. Have a great day.